LaTanya Robinson. Thank you for watching In-Camera Review. Melody, do you have any follow-up questions?
Yeah, I have a few questions. So, as I understand it, you do a number of prison cases. What's the most difficult thing about these types of cases?
For people who are currently incarcerated prisoners are governed by the Prison Litigation Reform Act, which is kind of a technical specialty that we don't have. So we don't do those. We do a lot of jail cases. And then we have jail death cases, usually either jail suicide or jail medical cases. And then we have 3 cases involving deaths of 1 sergeant and 2 inmates at San Quentin State Prison as a result of the botched transfer that caused the massive COVID outbreak. But you know, there's a lot of work that needs to be done in jail and medical cases. And I would say the most difficult thing is probably helping judges and jurors understand the basic humanity of our client, of the decedent, because lots of times the person got into jail by engaging in some bad act or another, and it's really easy for people to dehumanize and otherize them. So it's really important for us to make sure we're putting the humanity of our client first and foremost. People who are in prison have their right to medical care, for example, is governed by the 8th Amendment. And people who are pretrial detainees, their right to health care is governed by the 4th Amendment. It's a little bit harder standard to do a prison medical case legally, constitutionally, but a pretrial detainee is entitled to medical care for his serious medical needs, and officials can't be objectively, deliberately indifferent to those serious medical needs, meaning any reasonable prison guard, you know, should acknowledge the serious medical need and not be indifferent to it or ignore it. Basically, it's an objective standard.
My name is Lizzie Lockwood, and this is In Camera Review.